Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. If you are looking for a profitable and trademark with copyright free coloring book niches, then this video is only for you. Generally, finding a good profitable niche on KDP can be really hard, but in this video I want to show you 3 coloring book niches, and this is very unique. High demanding niche but low competition, and you have to earn more and more money from these 3 type of niche. So let's go Amazon KDP marketplace, and here we will search our first niche, fishing coloring book. Here results only shows 598 results only. So this is small niche. In my previous video I will show you niche are three types. First big niche, second one small niche, and third one is micro niche. So micro niche is 598. This means 500 plus. So this is called small niche. So in easily we can make fishing coloring book and upload the Amazon KDP and earn more money per month. Here we see 74 review fishing coloring book. Here 3 review, here 2 review, here 9 review, here 69 review. So we can make in this type of book easily and make money. So first of all we check trademark and copyright. Fish coloring book, this checkbox we click. Fish, ocean, fish, search for Google fish. So this is not a fish movie. Here fish, journey to the west cliff, fish out of water, big fish, fast 10 minutes. So here we see fish movie.
Through my online store,
So
we sell them.
here this character is not
anymore. Fiction. The man.
here we can search whole book in trademark. We can check trademark T's extension. Here we can check box, click books, then search. No T's records were found to match the criteria of your query. So we can easily make fish coloring book. Now our second niche is hunting coloring book. Hunting coloring book. So here results only shows 909. So this is small niche and we are easily make. Here we seen 348. Here is another niche 100 wildlife scenes. So this niche will note down and we can check this niche how many results. So hunting coloring book, here 25 review, here 14 review. Book only shows 909. We can check copyright and trademark. First of all, we can check before the word of coloring book, and then we'll check whole title. Then we can check whole title. So hunting coloring book, this is not a copyright and trademark. Here illustration and cover. So then check this, then book, then search. No tease records are found to match the criteria of query. So safely we can make hunting coloring in book and upload Amazon KDP. And we found another niche 100 wildlife scene. 100 wildlife scene. Wow, the results only shows 239 results. 100 wildlife scenes. So this is another big niche. Here 100 wildlife scene. First of all, we check trademark and copyright. Here the results only shows 348 rating. So we can check copyright and trademark. No. Then check book and search. Wow, this is very hot niche. No tease records are found to match the criteria of your query. So obviously and be safely and be easily we can make 100 wildlife scenes and upload the book on Amazon KDP and earn more money per month. So today's video we are finding 3 coloring book niche. First 100 wildlife scenes, second one is fishing coloring book, and third one is hunting coloring book. In this video, I'll show you how to find a small niche, how to find trademark and copyright check in your select niches. So if you like my video and if you got the right niche from my video, then please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family whoever is interested in passive income. And if you are watching me for the very first time, obviously you can support me, but if you are supporting for a very long time, because some of the people here who are listening to me, who are watching my video, they know a good idea about a valuable niche. So if you like this video, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with more niches, more videos, and help you to scale yourself self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then. So please comment in my video what type of video you will need. So thank you so much. Thank you all.